Welcome back everyone to yet another video. In today's video, let's see how we can create SEO friendly content with ChatGPT. So I'm just come here in the search box, and without wasting any time, I will just tell ChatGPT that we are looking to write a blog post with a keyword for a keyword, and we'll give a keyword to ChatGPT. Okay, so I want to write an SEO friendly article on keyword. So the main thing is keyword here. Give ChatGPT whatever keyword you're working on and it will figure it out. So let's say the best smartphones to buy in 2023. Now ask ChatGPT if it understands. Do you understand ChatGPT what I'm saying? Let's wait for the response. Yes, I understand that you want to create an article, SEO friendly article on this keyword. Okay, so basically ChatGPT understands what we're saying. So basically it is giving me some suggestions as well, that first of all we need to research a keyword and use the keyword in the title. Okay, use the keyword in the introduction. Okay, use related keywords. Okay, that sounds good. Create a well-structured article. So what I'm gonna do is I will tell ChatGPT to implement all of these. As now after listing these, I know that ChatGPT knows everything about how to rank a keyword and how to write a blog post which is SEO friendly. So basically what I'm going to do is let's say I want you to use these headings. So I'm giving ChatGPT some headings, because when you give ChatGPT headings, then these headings are purely yours and no one else on the internet have these headings in their article. That's why, and this is the main factor that I use and most of the people use when creating content with ChatGPT, because this is the main factor, because you want to neglect copyright free content and you want to create your own. So main thing that this step you don't want to miss. You want to create your own personal headings. Okay, so let's say iPhone 13 Pro Max. Okay, sorry, it's 14 Pro Max nowadays. If you are watching this video in the future, there will be 15 Pro Max, but now it's 14 Pro Max. Okay, so iPhone 15 Pro Max, 14 Pro Max, Google Pixel 7. Okay, then we have Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. Okay, so I want these three headings. Now I'm saying ChatGPT that please use these headings. I want to use these headings. Okay, here's the example of article that use these headings. Is optimized for keywords. Okay, so I gave it an information and now it's writing an article. Now what I'll do is I'll wait for it to complete an article, and then I will give further information to influence this created article, so we end up creating something new. Okay, so this might be taken from, of course this is taken from internet, but when we add different information inside it, it will not be copyrighted, it will be our own. Okay, so next thing that I want to do is I want to include my information as a writer, because I'm creating this blog post. So I want to include my information. I want you to include my name and my profession as an instructor and a tech reviewer in the article as well. So I want to include my introduction. So let's say if ChatGPT includes the introduction that I want, basically introduction. As we move into 2023, okay, so it has added my name, Heather, understand the importance of having the latest technology. Okay, so I, as an instructor and tech reviewer, Heather understands the importance of, okay, I understand the importance of everything. Okay, so this is basically, it have added this line based on the information that I provided. Okay, so based on my this command, it has added this these few lines over here. Okay, so next thing that I want to do is I want to really, after all of these changes, I want to really then, after all of that, I want to emphasize on this, because this is our main keyword. I want to give some more commands to enhance this keyword inside our article. I want you to use this keyword at least 3 times in the article, and also 1 time in the first paragraph. So I really want to include this 3 times in the article and 1 time in the paragraph. Okay, so let's give the keyword again in case ChatGPT missed it. Okay, so let's see, correct the spelling, and let's enter this, and let's see what the best smartphones to buy in 2023. Let's see how ChatGPT interprets and does it add 3 times this keyword. Okay, let's wait a bit. So what I'm doing here is I am trying to create an article that involves this keyword, because if this I want to rank for this keyword on Google search, then I would be adding this keyword at least 3 times in my whole article. So here we got the best smartphone to buy in 2023. Here's the title. Okay, the best smartphone to buy in 2023, that's the first paragraph. So I commanded ChatGPT to add this in the first paragraph. Okay, so now it will add also other 2 times in the paragraph, or maybe other 1 time, because we have 1 here and 1 over here. Maybe 1 more time, the best smartphone to buy in 2023. As you can see, it has added 1 more time the same keyword. This is basically the strategy that we implement as a blogger, as an SEO. If you are creating SEO content, you are implementing these strategies anyway. But with ChatGPT, you have the freedom to do it with AI. So again, we can see the best smartphones to buy in 2023. Here's the 3rd time it has added 1, 2, and 3, and 1 in the title. So we have basically included this keyword 4 times, and that will increase our probability of ranking for the keyword. Don't do it more than 3 times, of course, but 3 times it's enough. So it's taking some time because our command was to add this. So it's it's taking time to recognize where to add this keyword. So basically it's doing that, and then we have the conclusion. So that's it. I think for now this is okay. Other thing that we can do is, if when I'm adding this on my blog, I can also add photos of these iPhone Pixel and this Samsung Galaxy phone, and I can also add a button which will be a link to buy this product on Amazon. That will also have a good impact. I can use an affiliate link as well. So this is basically our article. Then I just copy it, and then I can paste it inside my blog, and it will be up and live and running, and it will not have copyright issues, because we have added so much information, as you can see. But if you want to go further, you can add more information into it, more of your information, because as you can see, in my information I've just added that I'm an instructor and a tech reviewer. But you can add more of your information. You can ask ChatGPT to create like this conclusion page. Here will be an author about us page, etc., etc. So there will be another paragraph called about us, etc., etc. You can do a lot of stuff with it, and I would like you to do it. So basically, this is how you create an SEO friendly blog. Now this is an really SEO friendly. Just copy this and paste it in your blog, and you're good to go.